What if I told you handbags can be stylish, versatile, and under $30 without looking cheap? I've been shopping on a budget for years, so I know the difference between a waste of money and a true gem. I'm always on the hunt for pieces that look designer, wear well, and don't break the bank. In this video, I'm showing you 7 Amazon handbags that are all under $30. The colors, what's trending, and I'll also give you styling tips. The key features you won't believe. Stick around to the end because I found a bonus purse that's under $20. And yes, all of the links to each purse will be in the description box. So let's get into this first bag. This bag, oh my God. You can carry it top handle. It's soft, vegan leather, and it's actually that pebble leather that I love. Let me get a little closer so you can check it out. Look at that. It has the silver hardware. It has this magnetic closure. Look at that. This crossbody strap. And it also has, this strap is a thicker strap. It attaches here. You can adjust the strap here on both sides. It's very lightweight. It comes in black, and it also comes in, ta-da, this beautiful green color. Look at this beautiful, rich green color. Wow, I love it. I love a bag with some feet on the bottom. This dress, an A-line dress or a wrap dress, it'll even look cute with a bodycon dress, or you can throw it on with a pair of jeans and a button-up. You can wear it to work with a cute sweater or a pair of slacks with some loafers. So the next bag is this super cute hobo-style top handle bag. This bag comes with an adjustable strap that adjusts right here on the side. You just have to press these in and it releases. So now it's long enough for you to carry on your shoulder. Now, how cute is that? Now, this bag comes in many colors. It has silver hardware. As you can see, it has the double zipper. See, it has 2 zippers here. It's roomy enough to carry your lipstick, a small wallet, your phone, and even some hand sanitizer. It comes in a croc embossed black and the colors that are now showing on the screen. This bag will look super cute with an A-line skirt and a sweater. You can dress this bag up. You can dress it down. You can wear it with just a pair of jeans and a sweater. This bag is versatile and the possibilities are endless with this bag. If this bag is a little too small for you, don't worry, I got you. You might enjoy this bag. This is the same style bag as you can see, but it is quite a bit bigger. It has a compartment and it has this zip compartment here. This bag is made of quality vegan leather. It's lightweight. It also has the adjustable strap. You can adjust it here. Look at that. You can make it longer or shorter. See, just a simple way to adjust the strap. And this bag has RFID blocking technology for credit card safety. It comes in black, a chocolate brown, and of course, chocolate brown is trending for fall, and it comes in off-white. You can wear it with a cargo skirt and a cute balloon top with a pair of heels, or you can go the casual route and wear it with a pair of jeans, a sweater, and even a pair of combat boots. Every purse in this video can be dressed up or dressed down. You can even wear them with sweats. So for those of you that don't know, mixing casual with dressy instantly elevates your style. So don't be afraid to carry a dressier bag when wearing a casual outfit. If you are enjoying this video so far, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel because I would love to continue to bring you cute, stylish pieces on a budget. Now let's get into the next bag. Now this bag, oh my goodness, I love this bag. Look at that. This is a hobo style bag. It also has that pebble leather that I love. It has the silver hardware. This bag also has magnetic closure. Look at that. You see that? Look, love that magnetic closure. It's buttery soft and super lightweight. This bag also has an adjustable handle, but the thing that's so different about this adjustable handle, look, it goes all the way under the bottom of the bag. You see how you can pull that out? Look at that. And slide that in. I think that's such a cool feature. You can even adjust this bag so you can carry it crossbody. Look at that. Look how long this handle got. Look, now how cute is that? It comes in white and black, and it also comes in this cute camel color that I really love. Now, just to let you know, this bag is slightly over $30. However, it's so cute that I had to show it to you. When something is this cute, a few dollars is not going to keep me from looking stylish. I tell you one thing, Amazon is not playing. So if you are not shopping Amazon, you are definitely missing out. So in my book, Amazon is definitely a go-to for budget-friendly shopping. They have everything we need to look cute and stylish on a budget. Now let's get into this next bag. Chocolate brown, anyone? Now I kept saying chocolate brown is trending for fall. You know I had to bring you a bag in chocolate brown. Look how cute this bag is. Oh my goodness. I love this bag so much. Look at this sleek, structured design on this bag. Look at these feet. Now, you know them feet scream designer. Now, this bag is made out of that PU material, but to look at it, you would never know. It has this beautiful silver hardware, and I love the closure on this bag. Look at that. Too cute. It's super roomy. This bag is roomy enough to carry your AirPods, your wallet, your sunglasses. All those items will definitely fit in this bag. And the best part about it, this bag comes in several colors. It comes in a dark red, which looks like burgundy to me, but check it out for yourself. And it comes in black. And look, it comes in this super cute green color. So if you love this bag, don't forget to check in the description box because I have links to this bag as well as all the other bags in the description box. You can dress this bag up, you can dress it down. It will look cute with anything from a casual pair of jeans and a button down, or a pair of jeans and a long sleeve tee, V-neck of course, to an A-line dress, a bodycon dress with a leather jacket, a graphic tee with bootcut jeans, or just sneakers and a sweater. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on other Amazon hauls. And share this video with a friend who loves stylish pieces on a budget just as much as you do. So next up is, now I'm a silver girl, you know I gotta throw a silver something in here. This is a cute, oh my God, this bag is so cute. I love the vintage look. It has a flap here, a button flap here, and it zips on the inside. This bag is made of PU leather. This top handle is adorable. Don't you just love this top handle? I'm not a gold girl, but this bag was so cute. Even though it does have these gold accents on it, I had to get it anyway. So let's check out this crossbody strap. Now, this crossbody strap is adjustable. Now, me personally, I would probably never carry this bag with a crossbody strap, but I figured I'd show it to you just in case you are a girl that loves a crossbody. In my humble opinion, this bag looks so much better without the crossbody strap, but it's your bag. You carry it however you want to, sis. This bag comes in 20 different colors. If you prefer a circular top handle, that's also an option for this bag. Now, this is the only bag in this haul that I think is suitable for formal wear. You can take this bag to a wedding. It will look super cute with a cute black dress. This bag would even be cute to take to a Christmas party. This bag will be cute, super cute for date night with your little black dress. Now for the bag that you all have been waiting for. Remember at the beginning of this video, I promised you a bag that was under $20. Honey, I didn't forget. Here she is. Look at this super cute quilted design. And of course, it has silver hardware. Oh my God, I wish you could feel how soft and supple this vegan leather is. You would think that this bag is genuine leather. Because when I pulled this bag out of the box, I could not believe it wasn't genuine leather. It has this adjustable strap, so you can carry this bag as a shoulder bag, and you can carry it as a crossbody bag. And don't get me started on this cute little pouch right here. This pouch is ideal for your AirPods. You could put your keys in here. You could put change in here. You can even attach your keys to this silver ring right here. Now, isn't that cute? This bag is super roomy on the inside. Look at all that room on the inside of this bag. It has a pouch on this side, And I know you see my phone and some other stuff in this bag. You see that, sis? Because I've been carrying this bag. I love this bag. I love it so much. Now, this bag does come in other colors. It comes in burgundy, well, a burgundy type red. It comes in khaki, caramel brown, or camel brown, and it also comes in white. You can carry this bag to the gym. You can dress this bag up. You can dress it down. You can even wear this bag with a pair of leggings, a sweater, or a pair of Adidas Samba SL72s. Those are my go-to sneakers now, by the way. And did I mention? I know I did, but I'm going to say it again. This bag is under $20. Honey, don't walk, run and go get this bag. I'm sure you'll find the color that you love. So you see, these 7 bags under $30 prove that you don't have to pay designer prices to look cute and stylish. Amazon is always running deals. Whether it's Prime Day, Black Friday, or just a random Tuesday, you can always count on Amazon to bring you trendy, stylish fashion pieces that will fit any budget. So if you like this video, don't stop here. Go and watch my Amazon haul where I showed you 7 bags under $40, and I even included some genuine leather pieces that you won't believe were under $40 when I purchased them. Don't forget to leave a comment letting me know which bag is your favorite and how you would style it. And also let me know what video you want to see next. Let me know if you want me to search for certain pieces under a certain price. Honey, I'm here for it. I'm up for the challenge. And if you don't remember anything else that I've told you in this video, always remember that nobody, and I do mean nobody, can beat you at being you. Bye.